Hi, this is Mrs. Benfer, and I'm here with
Chloe
and
Tyler.
and we're going to teach you how to log in to iReady. So we start here at the Bishop Dunn Memorial School website on the home page. Chloe, what do we do
You
next?
scroll down to the bottom of the page.
And I'm scrolling down all the way to the bottom. And what does this say right here, Chloe?
iReady student login.
So Tyler, what happens when I click on that?
It goes to the iReady page for you to log in.
It does, and I'm going to put in an imaginary student. Her name is Nancy Smith, so her password and login information starts with NS. I put her in, and Tyler and Chloe, what's the password? Say it together.
Bishop.
Bishop with a lowercase b. Bishop. And Tyler, what state do you live in?
New York.
You have to put your state in for New York, and then you press
Go.
go. Once you get to your iReady page, you will see your name on top. So this is Nancy Smith's home page. And then you have two choices. Chloe, what two subject areas can you pick from?
Reading and math.
Reading and math. And Nancy Smith has not taken her diagnostic yet, so if I click on math, it'll say start test, and if I click on reading, it will say start test. Once she takes her diagnostic, she will have assignments that go to her ability level. Now, I've asked the students to go on 10 or 15 minutes every night, but Tyler, how often do you go on? How long do you stay on?
30 minutes.
30 minutes? What about you, Chloe?
An hour.
An hour. Wow, that must be why your skills are growing so much. So that shows you how to get on. What's the most important thing to do when you are done with your assignments? What do you need to do?
Plus log out.
Press log out. So I'm going to hit log out in the corner, and you see you are logged out and back ready to start again. I just want to say thank you to Tyler and Chloe for helping us learn how to log on to iReady. Have a great day.
Bye. Bye.